I'm Burt True with the law firm True and Associates. I've seen a lot of badly injured people in my 20 years as a lawyer, and unfortunately some of them have not had any insurance to cover their losses. In other cases, there were issues as to whether the insurance company should pay. But one thing is certain, the insurance company will always try to get out of paying, and that's why you need a lawyer. Even when making an uninsured motorist claim on your own insurance policy, you still have to have a lawyer. And hopefully, you will get a lawyer that knows this area of the law. Not your old divorce lawyer, not the lawyer that handled your paternity action, not the lawyer that you hired to fix your son's speeding ticket. A lawyer that devotes his practice to personal injury, wrongful death, and medical malpractice. A lawyer that understands how to make insurance companies pay. I've talked in other video posts about how underinsured motorists may be a ripoff. When you consider how many times the insurance companies get away without paying, underinsured motorist coverage is where you pay extra premiums to, in effect, raise everybody else's auto insurance coverage to the same level that you carry on your own car. It's supposed to make sure that everybody else on the road has the same amount of insurance that you have. Like, for example, if you carry $100,000 per person on your car, then you have underinsured motorist coverage that raises other people up to that same $100,000 level. But now, GEICO has joined State Farm, American Family, and Progressive in denying coverage under underinsured motorists' coverages. GEICO, yes, the company that plasters your football games with an adorable gecko with a British accent, took a lawsuit to the Missouri Court of Appeals to avoid paying their own customer, who was named Leslie Hill. I've got a link to the case in the show notes below. Hill was injured by a drunk driver. She made a claim against the drunk driver, and she also made a claim against his father, who negligently entrusted his truck to the drunk's son. GEICO said that they did not have to pay on the negligent entrustment claim because they had already paid on the drunk driver claim. The appeals court sided with the fast-talking gecko over the injured customer. There's a long line of cases where insurance companies have litigated with their own customers. They do not put this in their commercials. Instead of talking about how much protection they will sell you, why don't they say how many times their own customers had to sue them to make them pay? They would rather talk about how much money you'll save by switching to GEICO, but it doesn't matter anyway because they're not going to pay the claim anyway. It is unfortunate, but when you are injured, you must get a lawyer, even if you're making a claim against your own insurance company. I'm Burt True with the law firm True and Associates. If you have a suggestion for a topic, please post it in the comments below. If you're watching on my blog, you can subscribe to my blog. Just click the link that says subscribe by email. You can follow the blog on Google+. That'll keep you updated with new posts to the blog. And if you want to discuss something in private, just click that Google Voice gadget below. You enter your telephone number and Google will connect us. If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll get notifications of new videos. You can click the links on this video to view my law firm's television commercial or other interesting videos on personal injury and wrongful death topics. And you can follow me on Twitter at BurtTrue and on Google+ at BurtTrue. You'll get notice when I post a new video. I'm Burt True with True and Associates.